To buy a Brawl Pass when you have been restricted by parental controls, you will need to first to turn off the parental controls. You need to go to settings. After you go to settings, go to screen time. And then on screen time, you need to go to iTunes and App Store purchases. On iTunes and in-app purchases, you can see there will be installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. On in-app purchases, you want to make sure it says allow. And after that, the required password, if you don't want to enter in your password every time you buy a Brawl Pass or any other in-game purchases for that matter, you can always say don't require. So when you buy something, you'll just buy it, right? After you have turned on the in-app purchases to allow, you can go to Brawl Pass and buy your Brawl Pass into just like normal. So you need to pay around that much and you won't have any trouble with parental controls or any password thing anymore.